You may have seen artificial intelligence used in a bunch of apps that you already have, but have you seen it being used in an investing platform? In this video, I'm going to look deeper into the new Trading 212 feature, which uses artificial intelligence for stock analysis and research. So here is my Trading 212 account. And if you didn't know about the AI features, then you probably would have missed it because it's not actually very apparent. However, the other day I was just looking at Rolls-Royce and I noticed how crazy the stock price had gone over the past year. You can see that at this point in time, it is up over the past year by over 100%. Now, I wanted a bit more information as to why Rolls-Royce is up this much. And instead of going into another app to do the research, I realized that the AI analysis tool might be able to give me some hints. If you would like to sign up to Trading 212 and receive a free fractional share worth up to £100, all you have to do is to click the link in the description box down below. Alternatively, if you've already signed up to Trading 212 in the past 10 days but have not received your free fractional share, then all you have to do is to click the 3 horizontal line menu over here. Scroll all the way down until you see the section use promo code. And in this section, just enter my code JUBAIR and you should receive a free fractional share. So as you can see, Trading 212 has been expanding this feature. Previously, it was only available for really popular stocks, and now it's available for the likes of Rolls-Royce, which I wouldn't say is an unpopular stock, but it's definitely not as popular as Nvidia. So here you can see there are 2 buttons that you can press. One is listen, so you can actually listen to this AI overview like a mini podcast, or you can press read. So yeah, let's find out a bit more about why Rolls-Royce is doing what it is doing. So what I can do is press read. Now, when you press this, Trading 212 rightfully gives you a little disclaimer because remember, AI is by no means going to be 100% accurate at this point in time. And maybe even in the future, who knows what will happen to AI. As you can see, Trading 212 says that it is available for selected stocks only, something like a beta program to see if, this is even worth actually investing into. Pun intended there. As you can see, the data is generated by artificial intelligence. So at this point in time, it may be prone to giving you some information which might not be, the case in real life. And remember, Trading 212 is not a financial advice platform. So it's very important you don't take financial advice from this or use this as a replacement for thorough research, which you should always do independently before investing into stocks. But anyway, if you press understand, you can see that under the AI overview, there is a market trend bit, which actually tells you that Rolls-Royce has experienced a significant upwards trend over the past week. Now, this AI overview is actually very current. I've checked it on different days of the week and it does give you the most up-to-date information. And I have noticed that it has updated its information. And again, don't use this as financial advice or the most trusted information before investing into stocks. The AI overview would also tell you that Rolls-Royce is trading near all-time highs. You can also see this from the graph, but it's nice that the AI will actually tell you that. You also get information about technical analysis. Now, this is very basic technical analysis, but it is there. According to the Trading 212 AI, this stock may be overbought, and in times like this, there may be a small correction. But again, remember, this is not financial advice, and past performance cannot dictate what will happen in the future. It also talks about the momentum here. As you can see, there is a strong positive momentum and that it is currently trading well above the average range. So if Trading 212 AI is anything to go off of, then perhaps invest into this company with some caution. So again, this is not financial advice, but it does give you some indication as to when to be a bit cautious as an investor. One other thing that I really like about it is that it talks about the market sentiment. This can save you a lot of research, especially when you are just browsing a stock. I wouldn't use this as your sole basis of financial information, but this can be your first pass if you are just looking over a stock. This could save you, minutes or even hours of further research. So it talks about the current market sentiment. And currently you can see with Rolls-Royce, that is a positive market sentiment. You can also see a bit of fundamental analysis. Again, you should not replace this with a professional financial advisor or anything like that. But it does tell you that Rolls-Royce in this particular example is trading at at a high PE ratio, and it does give you a conclusion. So I really think that this AI analysis tool could be really useful as a first pass when you are looking at a stock. It gives you a lot more extra information that you may not have seen at a glance, and I'm really happy to see this feature. So going back to our example with Rolls-Royce, like I said, you can read it, but you can also listen. So let's press listen and see how that is.
Rolls-Royce has experienced a significant upward trend over the past week, with its share price rising by a double-digit %.
So as you can see, the AI analysis tool actually reads out the AI analysis in a very natural AI generated but seems very human way. I personally always prefer reading over just listening, but if you are on the go and just want the analysis quickly, or even as an accessibility feature, it gives you that information in a nice, clear and precise way. Now, if you're wondering what the AI analysis looks like for US companies, well, here is AMD, and unlike Rolls-Royce, over the past year, this company is actually down by over 10% at the time of filming. So let's actually find out if trading to AI can help us understand as to why AMD is performing so poorly. So all you have to do is to scroll down, and then you can see the AI analysis, and it also does say in the top right corner 1 hour ago. So I can only assume that this has been updated an hour ago. Now with different companies, there may be less data available, or maybe the trading to AI algorithm decides how much information it allocates to each company. I'm not sure, but AMD definitely has less information than we saw with Rolls-Royce. Now we get 2 sections and a conclusion compared to Rolls-Royce, which we saw a lot more sections. So we have the market trends section and fundamentals. Now with market trends, for example, it does say that AMD has experienced a significant upward movement over the past week. This is something that we can see on the graph, so AI doesn't give us exclusive access there. It does point out that this is a bullish momentum, so if you weren't really confident in reading graphs, then this is something that the AI can point you towards. But then again, reading something off a chart does not make you an expert in trying to figure out what's going to happen next. Actually, nothing does. It does talk about technical indicators, but if you have been watching this channel, I don't think that technical indicators can actually really consistently prove anything. But you can see that the technical indicators, for example, here it mentions the relative strength index and it mentions the moving average convergence divergence. They are showing very positive signals. Again, this is not something that I would read and think, AMD sounds like a good buy, because that's not what I will be doing, and that's not what anyone should be recommending anyone to do, just looking at signals and buying. But anyway, ultimately these signals are saying that the stock may be overbought. So if you think this is a good analysis, then you might want to tread carefully with the current price of AMD, for example, not financial advice. It also mentions that there is potential for very large, sharp price swings, so there could be a lot of volatility to come. So a bit of information about fundamentals. It does say that the stock has shown, in this example, strong annualized returns recently, but it does also talk about the other risks. Again, you can think that a lot of what it's saying is contradictory. It is saying some positive things, it is saying some negative things, and overall, it doesn't really say anything, but you can also say that about analysts too. I do think that the AI analysis tool is useful. If you are thinking about buying a stock, but then are put off by some of these indicators, then that, in my opinion, could be a potential win. However, as we know by now, the stock market is completely unpredictable. AI will not be able to help us see the future, but it may be able to help us with our current decisions. So make sure to check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you in the next video.